Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This cute gift card holder envelope makes the perfect gift all year round, and it fits any type of gift card. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the crochet hook roll, in order to crochet the little gift card holder, you will need some acrylic yarn. I'm using Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice in the color Granberry. I also have a little button as well as a G+ crochet hook. Crochet a chain of 16. Now start crocheting one single crochet per chain, starting from the second chain from the hook. Ideally, go into the back bump of your chain. So turn it around and go into the back bump because we're going to crochet around it after we're done with the first row. Once you're done, you're going to turn, and now we're going around it and crochet all the way around in rounds, continuous rounds. So one single crochet per stitch. So I'm now going into the chain that I had made in the beginning. So simply go through and crochet one single crochet per stitch. You will end up with 30 stitches in a round. Now crochet 10 more rounds of just single crochet. Once you're done, you're now going to decrease. So pretend I just did 11 rounds of single crochet stitches. Now I'm going to do a decrease so we have a flap. In order to do the decrease, you're going to decrease at the end of each row. So that means you're going to start with a decrease. Now you're going to crochet 11 more single crochet stitches in this row. So one per stitch. You should have 2 more stitches until you get to the edge. Once you have your 2 last stitches, you're going to do a decrease. Now continue this pattern. That means every time you start a row, you're going to do a decrease, then one single crochet per stitch until you have 2 stitches left, and then you're going to do a decrease again. Continue on until you have only 1 stitch left. Then you're going to make a small chain depending on how big your button is going to be, and fasten off and weave in your ends. I added my button already over here, and here you can see the flap with the decreases. Now you can close it up and you're ready to go to use your gift holder. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number 3 is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos, and the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.